How to delete all messages on Messenger. First of all, you have to open up Messenger. Once you have opened it up, you have to make sure that once you have deleted all the Messenger on Messenger, you cannot recover the deleted message. It will be gone forever. So with that on your mind, select the conversation with a specific account which you would like to delete. So if you would like to delete the entire messages from a specific account, you have to tap and hold on that account. Once you're here, tap on delete option and it says this will delete your entire conversation with the contact, not just recent end-to-end encrypted messages. So if you are confirmed to delete your chat or your messages, tap on delete. And with that, entire messages will be deleted from that account on your Facebook Messenger. And that's how you can delete all messages on Messenger. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.